bearing calculation formulae. It has been found by experiments that the life of a ball bearing is inversely proportional to the cube of the load. If P, capital P, is the radial load on a bearing for which its life is n revolutions, then we know for the basic load rating or dynamic load capacity, capital C, its life is 10 to the 6 revolution. And so, this is the formula for ball bearing. N is the revolutions, not RPM. It is in revolutions, number of revolutions. 10 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 6 is equal to C by P to the power cube. This 3 is for the index is for the ball bearing. So this is for the formula for ball bearing. The value of C of different ball bearings manufactured are given in the bearing catalogs. P is the given load. The value of N in revolutions is the required life depending on situation. So, if N is determined, then C is equal to this one. From here it is this. Okay. A bearing should be selected which can fit on the shaft and has a dynamic capacity C. In case of roller bearings, the index is 3.3 instead of 3. Therefore, for roller bearing, we have this formula 3.3 for roller bearing. When a bearing is subjected to radial load Fr and axial load Fa, the P should be equivalent radial load by the formula P is equal to C1 V Frx plus YFA, where Fr is the radial load, Fa is the axial load, X and Y are factors to be taken from the chart. When Fa is equal to 0, X is equal to 1, remember it. V is a factor which is equal to 1 unity for inner race rotating and outer race fixed. V is equal to 1 or 2 if the outer race rotates. C1 is equal to shock factor. Now please write the left hand side. It is just to copy it. That's why I will not repeat. I will not talk. Okay. And also this one we'll talk about. Please note down, because nothing to understand. It is just you copy it. So this is this side up to this. Then we start from here up to this second. Then this one. Okay. This is the operating hours. This is the class of machines. This is the life of bearings. This is the chart. So next chart. Up to this. Then start from this. Then this. Okay. This is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, up to 2 lakhs. So now this is also, we have to find out FA XY. This chart is given. FA by C naught is equal to this one. C naught will be given to you. Okay. This is deep groove ball bearing, total, all. Next, go for this. Next, go for this. This is FA by FR ratio. If it is greater than E, then you take this one. And if it is FA by FR less than E, you take this one for X and Y. And this one for X and Y. It is the E value. Okay. So once again, next. Okay. Now here the chart is with me. This is the 60 series. 60 series means 60, 04, 05, 06. Up to this. Up to this. Then go for this. Okay. And then this one 62 series, medium duty. 6204. Previous was 60 is the light duty. This is the bearing number. These are the values of D, D, B. Okay. This is in pounds, C naught in pounds. I told you C naught will be given, C naught in pounds and C in pounds also. You can convert it to kg or Newton. This is 63 series. It is a heavy duty. Now 63. So we take up to this, then go for this. Okay, so that much is for today.